Live coverage of CES 2015 has been made possible thanks to Cell Cashier, Radtech, Bodyguards, Cyber Acoustics, Jaybird, 42nd Street Photo, and Borrow Lenses.
Hi, I'm Michael with Perry, and here we've got the Perry Duo. It's a charging case for your iPhone and has onboard speakers that are Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. And these speakers, the first of its kind with Wi-Fi mobile peer-to-peer technology for the mobile speaker market. And we can, with that technology, we can actually create our own peer-to-peer networks, and we can stream the music to 64 cases simultaneously at once. So you can have a massive beach party or any kind of group music play without a local area network. Price point is $139 for the iPhone 5 and 6. It'll be shipping in Q2. It's available on Indiegogo right now for on Indiegogo for $99 standard, $79 early bird price. It's super easy to install. Notice here, takes like 2 seconds. Take it in and out versus a lot of the charging cases we have today that are multi-piece.